Oh, this is for science. Yeah. Hello, old friend. There is a way to fix that. So it doesn't do that anymore and plays just the game. Red light above death. Looks like we're gonna have to take you apart and see what's going on inside. So I got all the screws off the first RF shield. It's nice that they are all the same size. That is nice, but there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this is supposed to be able to just lift right off. Oh. This thing needs a blowjob. Not the self. These 2 screws go here, and they are different from other screws. Okay, and they go there, and there. Software. We're gonna be giving this a nice little cleaning, but the connectors look okay. Just wipe them off a little bit. But this connector looks like it's rainbowed at the top. Center, those aren't straight. I'm gonna have to bend these exterior ones up a little bit. Boil it. They said boil it. And that's gonna need some cleaning. Definitely gonna hit that up. No, you know, that's gross. And that is what childhood looks like, people. Okay, now there's another thing. I believe it's this chip. Where if you clip off that connector and bend it up, not giving that its connection, you can play all the games. Doesn't even matter what region it's from. So, you know, now, since most of those games are probably more out there than they were back in the 80s, you know, now I should be able to play everything. Okay, and the shell is clean. Nintendo. Alright. I am so happy that I can find a replacement on Amazon for 12 bucks. And we gotta take it after it's cooled off a little bit. Do a clean cartridge. Put it in and pull it out. Put it in, pull it out. Pull it in, pull it out. It's supposed to be able to train the connectors to fit right again. Do this a few more times. When science works. All those little particles floating in there. Dirt. Dirtiest. Grossicus. Okay, so what I did, these a little closer together, little pinchers. I got in there between each one of them and pulled it out as best I could, making them a little closer together to get that connection. Okay. The light is stable, but there is still no game. It's fine. It's fine. So what we'll do is just get a new one of the 72 connector things, just put a new one on. Let's see if that helps. But that must wait for another day. So I have to order it. Amazon, 12 bucks. Okay. Soon, my friend. Okay, so I got the new 72 pin connector in. I did not film that because I did most of that shit yesterday. Anyway, it's... Alright.